Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a user account without Microsoft account on Zotac Gaming handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start, navigate to the settings, click on account, then scroll down and look for other users. Now you'll be able to select add account. It will open a Microsoft account login page, but we don't want it, so click on I don't have this person sign in information. And then you should see a button add user without Microsoft account. Now you can enter their name. If you want password, you can enter it. If you want that account without password, then leave the lines empty. After that, click on next and your account should be created just like this one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.